Athletics, track and field. Track and field events are the epitome of human speed, strength, and endurance. Gymnastics, artistic gymnastics. Artistic gymnastics showcases incredible strength, grace, and precision. Swimming. Dive into the pool where legends like Michael Phelps have made history. Swimming events, ranging from sprints to long-distance races. Basketball. Basketball brings the excitement of the court to the global stage. The fast-paced action, incredible skill, and team dynamics make it a fan favorite. Badminton. Badminton, known for its fast-paced rallies and intense gameplay, is a sport where quick reflexes, agility, and strategy come together. Boxing. In the ring, Olympic boxing is a test of skill, endurance, and heart. Wrestling. Wrestling is a sport deeply rooted in Indian tradition, and our athletes have excelled on the Olympic stage. Weightlifting. Weightlifting is the ultimate test of human strength, and Indian athletes have shone brightly in this arena. Field hockey. With 8 gold medals, 1 silver, and 3 bronze, India's men's hockey team has been a dominant force. Javelin throw. The javelin throw is an event that combines power, precision, and technique. These are just a few of the thrilling sports that make the Olympics the greatest show on earth. From the track to the pool, the court to the ring, Indian athletes have made their mark, bringing pride and glory to the nation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Olympic moments.